About the single control view for Miscmash surfaces. This is ideal if you have a small screen, such as you would find with typical mobile devices, phones, tablets, that sort of thing. If you have a large screen, a widescreen display, typical desktop monitor, then you're going to want to use the regular surface view. That's more ideal. You can drag stuff around. You have room to manipulate stuff, rotate things, change them however you like, and move them about the surface. But if you have a small screen, then you're really limited. And so the better option in that case is the single control view for Miscmash surfaces. In the top left, we have the Miscmash logo as normal, and you click on that to get the main set of controls. You've got information about the surface. You've got general stuff you can do, get your profile, change your profile. You can log out, search for other surfaces, find information about us, get some help for how to use the surface. You can click on the surface menu item. Here you can invite people to view the surface and edit it with you. You can get alerts by email every day about people who have viewed your surface or edited a surface that you care about. You can switch over to the regular surface view, the multi-view, or you can delete a surface. Finally, we have the controls menu, and here you have the 6 types of controls that you can make. Now I've got a couple listed, shown here already. I've got a simple small text. I've got a large text, and here you can of course edit stuff however you like. You can do whatever kind of formatting you want it to do. So this is a right aligned line. I could take that and right align it. Okay, typical stuff that you could do with rich text editor. You can make drawings. I'm going to draw an ellipse, okay? And you could use these for communicating ideas, doodling basically, and communicating ideas that way to your friends, your peers, co-workers. The other thing you can do is you can take a document. This is a document control, and you can upload, images. That's actually the one that I just had, which is actually an image. Or let me pick, this is going to be nicer just for demonstration purposes. You could take a PDF. Okay, so here's a PDF, some document that I cared to upload. And of course, other kinds of images as well, documents. If you have a document that cannot be rendered for one reason or another, such as say a .doc file, right, a Word file, then you're going to get this button that says view the file. Now when you do that, then you'll click on it and it'll download it or whatever the normal thing that your browser would do, and that way you could get it. Okay, so there's that. But let's create a new control. There's one that I've left out, the YouTube clip. So I'm going to go over, find myself a, okay, so I've gone over to YouTube and I have copied over a URL. So when you first click on it, you get this, display. All you need to do is just click, and in the lower left you have the control menu, which mainly deals with the specific control you have. So I can click on that and say modify the settings of the control. And when I do that, I will paste in here the YouTube URL. And there it is. I have a YouTube clip. And of course I can play it by simply clicking on it. Okay. I can do all the things that I could typically do with a YouTube clip. It really doesn't matter. I can manipulate it. I can pause and go back and forth. All right. And that is pretty much how to use it. I'm going to close off by showing you help. This is the button that you click on, and you're going to find out how to use the surfaces. And so you'll click on it and you'll wind up here. You'll see some display. This particular one happens to be the help information for how to use the large surface view. And of course you can click on it and play it. All right, that is how to use Miscmash.